Yo, this is the kind of new Canon EOS R6 with the 16 to 35 L series f4. So it's the L2, I think. The Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. I just want to tell you something real quick. That's the perfect camera. I'm not going to be showing footage of the camera, but I do want to tell you one thing real quick. In here, I've got the 1DX Mark II. And in that case, I have the Canon C200. See, 1DX Mark II. I'll show you the C200. And here's why. These are my dream cameras. I watched Peter McKinnon and Casey Neistat and all these guys, and it drove me crazy to the point where I just had to go work my ass off and save up and buy these crazy expensive cameras. But I've learned something. If you're a... There you go, C200. Boom. And I've got an EOS R in there that I'm selling on Facebook. I've got a GoPro. I've got little RX100s. I've got 25 grand in camera gear. Cool, who cares? And I'm taping this on my phone. I'm on my Note 10. So what type of camera should you get is all depends on a lot of different things, and it depends on where you're at. And just because Peter McKinnon or some of these guys have these expensive cameras doesn't mean jack anything. I got my other YouTube channel, it's about to hit 100,000 subscribers. I got it to 20,000 subscribers with my cell phone, with an old like Note 4 back in the day, and a little RX100. The camera that's the best camera is the camera that you use. And I could actually argue that the best camera of all is literally just the GoPro Hero. The Hero 8. Why? Because you can put it in your pocket, take it, you could vlog anything. It has good audio, good video, and you can literally vlog with it. I think the best quality camera for the money in the world is probably the little RX100 cameras. But probably this one because it has image stabilization. But that's like $4,000 right there, just with the lens and the microphone. That's insane, and it only gives you an incremental little tiny bit of extra quality. The great thing about DSLRs is you could change lenses around and all that stuff, but I really think with this new, the S20 Ultra 5G phone coming out, that just came out, I mean, and then the iPhone, what is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max? You don't even need a GoPro. You don't need any of this crap. You can literally hit 100,000 subscribers. You could vlog, you can make videos, video reviews, podcasts, you can write blog posts, articles, you can run an entire 6-figure internet business and do everything you need to do with nothing more than a little cell phone stand. And now they have the Sabine Tech. Have you seen this? They literally have these lavalier microphones that you clip on here, and it just clips onto your phone or syncs to the Bluetooth on your phone. And now you have a lavalier mic for crystal clear audio, so you could put your phone on a tripod 20 feet away and do a whole presentation with clear audio. What else could you ask for? Now they have this thing, you can go on Amazon. If you want to do a podcast, you can do the whole thing off your phone. I got a whole podcast studio with the Rode, the whole Rode caster machine and expensive mics. Doesn't even matter. You can plug a lavalier mic and it splits off into 2 mics. One for you, one for your partner or co-host. There's your whole podcast right there. There's technology has got to the point where you can literally do everything on your phone. I've edited 80% of all my videos on my YouTube channels with my cell phone on an app called Power Director Studio. It's like $6, or iMovie for iPhone. And you can just literally do everything on your phone. Whatever speeds up the process so you can pump out good content at a more consistent basis. I think that's really the game. Because if you never get anything done because you're trying to mess with raw video, or you're trying to build some big editing system, or it's just a waste of time. All right, later.